Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and today we want to look at how to solve equations involving indices, equations involving an unknown on the power, right? So let's consider the given question. We have 5 to the a dot 5 to the a is equals to 50, right? And in mathematics, that dot means you are multiplying. So we have 5 to the a times 5 to the a is equal to 50, right? So let's move on. By using laws of indices, we know that x to the a times x to the b is equal to x to the a plus b, right? Meaning to say, when multiplying numbers of the same basis, we just add the powers. And in our case, our base is 5, so we're going to add those powers. Then we have 5 to the a plus a. So 5 to the a plus a is equal to 50, right? And a plus a, these are like terms, so we add a plus a, we get 2a. Then we have 5 to the 2a is equal to 50, right? Now we have 5 to the 2a is equal to 50. We can now apply natural logarithms on both sides. Then we have ln 5 to the 2a is equal to ln 50. Then we have ln 5 to the 2a is equal to ln 50. We can now apply laws of logarithms on both sides. Then by using laws of logarithms, we know that log a to the b power is equal to b log a, right? So we want to express that ln 5 to the 2a in the form b log a, right? Then we have 2a ln 5 is equal to ln 50. We have 2a ln 5 is equals to ln 50, right? Then since we want to solve for a, let's start by dividing both sides by ln 5. Then ln 5 and ln 5 will cancel out. We're left with 2a is equals to ln 50 over ln 5, right? And we want to eliminate that 2 mean we divide both sides by what? By 2, and we have a is equals to 1 over 2 multiplying ln 50 over ln 5, right? So we have a is equals to half ln 50 over ln 5, right? That's the numerical value of what? Of a. But if the question requires you to find or to express the value of a in decimal form, right, then you use a calculator and find the decimal value of what? Of a. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.